Hello everyone, Vivian Suntail here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I draw a finch. Specifically, the reference I'm using is a purple finch. Now, let's get started. I usually use an 8th graded pencil, which is a bit harder grade than a normal pencil, but a normal pencil works fine too. I start out with blocking out the shapes of the birds, like the body and the head. And they're just really light general shapes of the bird. You don't need to be too hard when you start off because these are just your guidelines. And then I usually just shape out the beak. Next, I block out the wing where it should be. And then I just adjust the shapes along the way according to the reference. So, now we have our bird silhouette, and now let's start marking out the details. I usually start with the beak and make it for sure the correct shape. And then I mark out the mouth opening. And then I mark where the feathers make way for the beak. And I just do little changes along the way. Like I made the head a little bit like wider. Next, I do the eye. It's just a small eye. And then I start doing the wing pattern. So, first I mark out these feathers, then these feathers, and then the rest of the feathers. I start making lines where the feathers of each layer will be. And then I finish with the legs. I adjust how big they're supposed to be. This is my final sketch, and then I go in and add details over and over and over until it looks like a finch. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll get back to you guys when I finish. this is my finished Finch drawing. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and if you really loved it, consider subscribing. Also, my Instagram is linked in the card above, where you can see behind-the-scenes sketches and you get exclusive polls. Bye everyone, thank you!